This place was never meant to exist. A forest with no trees, massive stone spikes ripping out of the ground, sharp like blades. This isn't CGI. This is real. It's called the Stone Forest in China. These rocks are over 270 million years old, once buried under the ocean until the earth pushed them upward. But here's what makes people uncomfortable. When fog fills the forest, the stones feel like they're closing in on you. Scientists say it's erosion, water, time pressure, but locals believe the forest was once alive and turned to stone in a single moment. People still get lost inside. No signal, no sense of direction, which makes you think,